I was looking last week at photographs because I was working at the YIVO right after she was, just after she was born. I was, had been a student and then began to work. So there's these wonderful pictures of her sitting at what was Max Weinreich's desk with his library behind her, talking on the telephone. She used to make up little budgets, right? And she was, I think 3, 4 years old in these photographs in a little red, plaid dress. So a lot of what was happening was osmosis. Some of the YIVO students were her babysitters. And so what came out was both a set of relationships, but an early, exposure to everything that was going on around her. And when we founded Klezmer, it was the last Christmas she ever saw outside, in the outside world. She was about 5.5 years old and has been coming here ever since, and now works here and directs the children's program. So it's not so much what changed in me as she grew up in this world. And so this is her community. It's a formative community, and everything that goes on here, from language to music to these relationships, was formative from the time that she was, 4 years old or so.